Hey, beauty lovers! Tired of hiding your smile because of those pesky stains? Well, brace yourselves because I found a game changer, the Ollm Teeth Whitening Kit. Let's dive into how you can get a dazzling smile in just 1 week, right from the comfort of your home. First off, this isn't just any teeth whitening kit. The Ollm kit comes packing with a powerful 32x LED light technology that does wonders. Not just whitening, but also caring for sensitive teeth and gums. Imagine just 30 minutes a day can pull out those tough stains from coffee, wine, or even smoking. And boom, you're up to 8 shades lighter in a week. Now let's talk about comfort and precision. Something we all crave, right? Unlike those usual strips or trays, this kit includes a teeth whitening pen with a soft brush designed to reach the nooks and crannies of your teeth, ensuring even coverage. Plus, it's perfect for those with braces. And here's the kicker for those who share their space. The kit comes with 2 moldable trays and 3 syringes of gel, making it perfect for family or friends. Just mold, apply, and you're set. Plus, the magnetizable charging port and a large battery capacity make it super convenient to use anywhere, anytime. For those with sensitivity worries, fear not. The kit is designed with anti-sensitive technology featuring dentist-grade gel to minimize discomfort. So, why spend a fortune at the dentist when you can achieve professional results on your own terms? So, are you ready to flash that brilliant smile? Grab your Ollm Teeth Whitening Kit and let the transformation begin. Trust me, your smile will thank you. Stay dazzling and take care. End of script.